station activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service, which has issued a tornado watch. This is for coastal waters from High Island all the way to Freeport, out about 20 miles. Waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, extending from 20 to 60 miles. Chambers, Texas as well, Galveston and Galveston Bay. This begins at 12:40. It's already underway. It will end at 6:40 p.m. Again, the National Weather Service issuing a tornado watch for coastal waters extending out as far as 60 miles from High Island all the way to Freeport. This is in effect until 6:40 p.m. tonight. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.